going to make Easter bunnies. We're going to make 4 of these at the same time. 4 of these. We're going to make this one, this one, this one, and this one. 4 of them. Let's get started. So what you're gonna need is some sketch paper, acrylics, acrylic paintbrushes, a little square one and a fuzzy one, black pen if you have one. I would recommend a Sharpie, scissors that can chop off 9 fingers, but you don't want that. Paper plates for your paint, some bunny water, and some white paint. What you're gonna have is your paper. You're gonna fold it. We're gonna fold it in 4 portions. And then you're gonna crease. Then you're gonna fold it the other way. And you're gonna fold it the same way like you did the other time. Make sure it's to edge so you don't get confused. And some of your bunnies would be not good. Okay. And now that you have your 4 portions, you're gonna take your pencil. You need a pencil mark. So we're gonna lightly do it like that. You're gonna do which I call a big potato. So you're gonna do a big potato. Your potatoes don't have to look perfect. It's just a bunny. Then you're gonna do a little oval at the side and another little oval. And then we're gonna do another oval and another oval. So these 2 are gonna be the same. Then I'm gonna do a marshmallow because the sides are not so pointy. You just want to make them fine. Okay. You have to do a marshmallow on every one. Now that you have all of the ovals drawn in, you're going to take all of your pinks. You need a little bit of white too. You're going to dip it, but before you dip it, you don't want to look like a clown without your apron. You're gonna have an oval fuzzy paintbrush and a nice little square paintbrush. You're gonna get the square paintbrush, dip it in some bunny water. You're gonna take the lightest color. You're gonna do this on this side, a little bit of this side, a little bit of this. Kind of mix them together. You're gonna do a V shape. See? This is a head. This is like the bunny shape. So we're gonna do that on each marshmallow. You're just gonna do some V's. Speaking of V's, my auntie that's filming right now, her name is Valerie. So just gonna do a special V for Valerie. Valerie Patterson. Now that you have your bunny ears, you're gonna make actually 4 bunnies at the same time. So right now you're making 4 bunnies. Okay, you're gonna take your scruffy brush. You see these little prickly things? That's why it's called a scruffy brush. You're gonna put it in a nice color. You're gonna make the hair. This is the hair. And you're just gonna put it all over. Take a little bit of the dark colors. You're gonna fill in the spaces. Are you ready to speed through? you're gonna do a little C. You're gonna do a C in all of the little ovals, okay? But on this side, you're gonna do the opposite way. Now you are going to put some white spots on. And then once you're done doing the white stuff, we're gonna do a splatter. You can do the petals quick. They don't have to be perfect. Now that looks like hair. Okay. You are going to splatter! I think I wanna get some hot pink. Has to be watery. I'm gonna mix it with white so it's a little lighter. If I wanna do it with my finger, I would prefer like some little straight stick. You want to do a splatter, I'm telling you. And good thing you have this apron on. Bunnies. Then after that, when they're totally dry, you're going to cut them out. So you see that little time where we folded it? You're gonna cut the lines that you folded the paper. And see, we're making 4 bunnies. For 4 bunnies, you're gonna take your Sharpie. I don't really like the smell of Sharpies. Click in the comics if you don't like Sharpies or if you do. I cannot believe my cousin loves the smell of Sharpies. Oh. You're going to do a little nose right there. Then this. Then this. A little like, I think I want to do a little smiley face. It looks cuter. I'm gonna do a circle. I'm gonna try to do another little circle. And then I'm gonna do that. That looks cute. I'm gonna add some eyelashes. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side because bunny's ears are just like horses. They're on the side. I can do it bigger. And then this is right there. Perfect. And I do that. And then it doesn't matter if your eyes, if one eye is bigger and the other one is smaller, it does not matter. And I'm gonna outline the bunny's ears. Bunny, you write your name on it. Of course, when you make art, you have to write your name on it. If you're gonna give it to someone, Maitreya. D for my last name, because this is my initial. So now we're gonna do a little carrot. Let's make the bunny think of a carrot. You're gonna take your orange. There. Take your green. Take your Sharpie. You're gonna do the little lines. And let's do the other bunnies. Now that we ignore the other bunnies, don't they look a little bit grumpy and angry at us? We better give them as much attention as we can. I'm so sorry, you 3. We better fix you up. Okay, and they're very mad they don't even have their eyes. you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and always watch more. Click the link below. When I send out a new video, it will tell you. And you can see my new videos on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Etsy, Instagram, or YouTube. Thank you for watching. Happy Easter.